Hey YouTube, this is an intro video to our 1980 Malibu project. Give you a little bit of history on this car and tell you kind of where we're at and where we're going with it. We paid about $700 for this rolling chassis, and we are turning it into this is going to be a budget build street car. We're going to put a 383 stroker motor in it. It's going to be based off of the horsepower TV 383 stroker build that they did. It's kind of a budget build. And we're going to hopefully get it ready in time for the 2016 Hot Rod Power Tour. Well, the first thing we did when we got this thing is we stripped it all out, as you can tell. Realized that the floor was a little bit worse than we originally thought, so we welded in a new floor. Neither of us have ever welded before. We just used actually a Harbor Freight cheap flux core welder and did a pretty good job. We plug welded it all the way around and spot welded and plug welded in the brace, and it's pretty sturdy. It's in there. And then of course seam sealed all around, and hit it with a little bit of primer. A little bit of rust on this car right here, pretty normal, not really bad. Other than that, it's a pretty straight body. Originally it was midnight blue, and we are going to paint it back to the original color at some point, but we're going to drive it this way for a little while. Put some nice wheels on it, and it'll be a good little cruiser. So far, we took all of the suspension out, replacing it with new energy suspension, bushings, brand new upper control arms, bushings. We're getting ready to put the springs back in today, and then new rotors, brakes, and we'll see where we go from there. So stay tuned for updates. And subscribe, follow us, and thanks for watching.